Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am drawing a simple pencil sketch of a bird. First, I start by drawing the head and the beak. Then I slowly add the body and the wings. I use light pencil strokes to make the feathers look soft. After that, I draw the branch where the bird is sitting. This is a very easy and simple drawing that anyone can try. If you like this sketch, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.